I see you. I can see you. Yeah, spinning on both sides. I can see it moving. Spin it. There you go. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Come on. Come on, do a slide. There you go. Go ahead. All right, stand up. Go ahead, leapfrog. Stand up. Go. You gonna do this one now? Look who's back. I see you. There's his buddy Avery came back. He's got a shoe on now. Which one you gonna slide on? Go. All right, go. Go ahead. And then Avery will go. Go ahead. You gonna belly slide backwards? Go. Show me. See ya. There he is. Good job. All right, here goes Avery. Say go, Avery. There you go. You gonna climb up? Good job. Both hands. There you go. That's how you do it. Get those feet together. Good job. All right. Go. There you go. That's how you... I got you too. I can see you. Go. All right, we're watching. Good job. Hey, you got back quick, Grant. That was fast. Do it again. Where you going now? Did you look through this one? You going up? He's still climbing. He's coming. Go ahead. You can go around and come back. You'll meet him. See ya. There he is. Good job. Wave mommy. Wave to mommy. There he goes. All right, good job. All right, go around.
And this one? You ready?
Go ahead.
Here we go. Which way?
That's it. Take your time. Good job. You want to go over there? Go. Go catch him. Go ahead. Go catch him. There you go. All right, you going?
Everybody going?
Yeah, they're just going right over there. Go ahead. You going? Belly slide. Show me. Oh, just regular slide. Good job. Oh, he's getting fast. Can hardly keep up with him. Play drums. You gonna play bell? Good job. All right, watch your step over there. There you go. Watch where you're going. Good job. All right, go. Good swing. You want to go to the swings? No? Yeah? All right, I'm coming.